welcome back to Keto Homestead with Jess. How's everybody doing? We're going to do a quick video. We're going to do an unboxing, or technically an unbagging. So Quinntana is going to open her bag. Go ahead, sis. And I want to go ahead and thank all the super chatters and super stickers and supporters. Thank you so much. Let's see what she got.
Got muscles.
You got muscles.
I like the packaging.
I know, it's pretty, huh?
I like the pom-pom.
You're going to have to just tear it. Oh, there it goes.
So I gotta add it all onto it.
I guess so. I don't know. I haven't opened it. What is that?
Hand sanitizer.
Oh, the hand sanitizer. It didn't come with the hand sanitizer, though.
So I'll have to put one of my favorite hand sanitizers in it.
Yeah.
I like the matching.
Yeah.
It's really pretty. Oh, that's the...
Ooh, you did get that.
That one's
Sweet.
my favorite.
I wasn't sure if it had it in there or
I'm
not.
glad it's not the sharp ones, because if it's the sharp ones, you can't have it at school.
Yeah.
I got stuck in the bag. And then this is the lanyard, I'm pretty sure. Or is it the... Oh.
What is it?
It's...
Is it the alarm?
Yeah. So...
Ooh.
Wait.
Alright. You want to throw all the trash down for a second, and then you can go through and tell everybody what everything is and what it is, like what the item is? Because I'm sure nobody knows.
Okay. So...
You gotta kind of speak up.
Okay, so this is an alarm. So, pretty sure you're
Woo! Yep. That's loud.
So that'll be handy. That hurt my ears.
Yeah, that was super loud.
Then these are just decorations. But
What is it though? What are the decorations?
hand sanitizer and a pumpkin.
Cute.
I dropped something.
I don't know what you dropped. I think you just dropped the box, didn't you? I don't know.
I think. Okay. I don't know what this is. I'm pretty sure it's like a bottle opener.
Yep. I would say that's a bottle opener.
And then this, it's like you put it on your knuckles and then you can like jab at someone.
Okay, show a close-up of that again. Good job.
And then this one is like if you don't want to, like if you have the anxieties for like germs, you can just use it as a door opener. Or like a toucher.
Okay.
And then there's a whistle just to warn someone to back off. And then I think it's a window breaker. So like
Yep.
you get stuck somewhere, you just don't use it on a person.
Yep. And actually, where's that other tool that you just held up a second ago? The bottle opener or something. Is there another tool other than that?
I don't know.
Because there should be one. That's the window breaker. You were right about that. And then there should also be a tool to be able to cut the seatbelt in case somebody like tries to take you. There it is. Yeah, that's part of it. I think.
Well, it's not sharp.
I don't know. something in there. We'll have to read the directions for sure. But there is definitely a seatbelt cutter in there somewhere.
Yeah. But there's the hand thing for all the stuff. And this holds the hand sanitizer and chapstick.
Sweet.
Yep.
So basically, this is a self-defense keychain, correct?
Yep.
And you're going to use it for what?
To carry when I walk to school.
Yes.
So, next we have a happy planner.
Cute. Do you like the cover?
Yeah, I like the smiley faces. I wanted to show them like the inside of it.
That plastic should be just like,
So you got all
you got your months.
so then you can see all the things inside it. It's pretty cute. I like it. And then we got some stickers to put inside of it for school.
Cute.
I like the scissors. And then you could just pop them in here.
Thank you for hanging out with Keto Homestead with Jess, and I want to thank you so much for unbagging Quintana's gifts with her. And until next time, stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye.